Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Bank of Jamaica reports that total remittance inflows from January to October of last year dipped by 0.1% to US $2.793 billion when compared with the corresponding period in 2023. The BOJ notes that 67.7% of the country's remittance inflows comes from the USA for the months January to October last year, down from the 69.5% recorded during the corresponding months of 2023. The BOJ adds that 11% of remittances come from the UK, 10.7% come from Canada, while the Cayman Islands accounted for 6.2% of remittance inflows. Bankers in Jamaica says that their costs are too high, which prevents them from lowering interest rates despite 4 rate reductions initiated by the Bank of Jamaica. President of the Jamaica Bankers Association, Audrey Tugwell Henry, says the cost of banking in Jamaica is too high, making it difficult for commercial banks to respond quickly to the central bank's recent rate reductions. She said the government must consider reducing the income tax paid by banks from 33.33% to 25%, as well as the 0.25% tax placed on the almost $2.85 trillion in banking assets. Mrs. Tugwell Henry was speaking at the recent Investments and Capital Markets Conference hosted by the Jamaica Stock Exchange. For the trading period ending January 27, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 9,169,052 units traded, representing 50.18% of market sales volume. International hardware and PVC manufacturer Forex Company Limited with 1,072,887 units traded, representing 5.87% of market sales volume. Beverage manufacturer Jamaican Teas Limited with 859,266 units traded, accounted for 4.7% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 27, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $59.1 million purchased and US $66.74 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.60 per dollar, selling the US at $158.06 and buying the US at $156.46. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $11.50 per transaction, with selling at $120.53 and buying at $109.03. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.05 in profits, with selling at $197.14 and buying at $195.09. For our credit report tip of the day, as a self-employed professional, visiting your banker to discuss credit worthiness is a crucial step towards building financial stability. However, what if your credit score is below 500 points? The gold standard for credit score is 850 points, but even a small improvement can unlock better financial opportunities. Here are 2 options. You can negotiate with your creditors. Work out a payment plan to reduce outstanding balances. You can also pay debt strategically. Use the snowball or avalanche method to tackle balances. In our Building Something from Nothing feature, we're looking at from nothing to financial resilience. And so building financial resilience and recovery as a professional woman over 45 years who seeks a slower pace of life with passive income, you need to have planning and action. So here are steps you can take. Believe it or not, you practice stress reduction. Incorporate yoga, meditation, or regular walks to restore balance and energy in your daily life. You can also consider shifting to flexible work. Explore consulting, part-time work, or freelancing to ease your workload and gain control over your time. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.